If you're retiring as a couple, spouse contributions can be a great way to grow your combined balance. They can also be a great way to reduce your tax. Eligible contributions could see you claiming up to $540 each year on your tax return. Beyond growing your shared balance, there are other ways that spouse super contributions can help you reach your goals. Depending on your situation, you may be able to access your super earlier or even increase your age pension entitlement. Making a spouse contribution is as easy as making a BPay payment. Your spouse can find their unique BPay details on their statement or by logging into their super account online. Another way of contributing to your spouse's super is through contribution splitting. Contribution splitting allows you to pay up to 85% of your before-tax contributions, which are also known as concessional contributions, to your spouse's super rather than your own. Before-tax contributions include employer or SG contributions and salary sacrifice payments. You will need to complete some paperwork to authorize contribution splitting with your fund, so make sure you speak with them first so you are following the right steps. For more information about spouse contributions, including details about eligibility and contribution splitting, visit unisuper.com.au/spouse contributions.